Okay. Hello everybody, my name is Elsbeth van Paridon, or Panmanshao. Now recently I got to thinking, in China, many junior high school graduates are facing this potentially life-altering question, which is, am I going to go to a regular high school and then on to university? Or am I going to follow the path of vocational education? You have to ask the question, what is the status quo of vocational education in China? I'm going to go get us some answers. So last year I came across an article about vocational education written by one of my colleagues at Beijing Review, and it mentioned this guy I just showed you, Zhao Zhijun, and this guy even has his own Baidu entry. Now, he is a gold medalist in electrical installations at the World Skills Competition last year in France. And today I'm at the Yancheng Technician College to go interview him and find out more about vocational education straight from the source. So I'm really looking forward to this one. So let's go. Zhao Zhijun.
Yeah, hello.
Hi, nice to meet you. You are so young. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
What made you opt for vocational education and electrical installations in particular?
It all started with my high school entrance exam. My grades weren't great. And I thought, instead of going to a vendor high school, why not develop a teaching skill? I've always loved working with my hands. Vocational education gave me more opportunities.
Do you think that vocational education is a good choice for young people?
Based on my own experience, I'd say yes.
Well, I do have one more question. What exactly does your major, so electrical installations, involve?
Come with me to our training class. I'm sure you can find the answer there.
Okay, sounds great.
Let's
Lead
go.
the way. That looks great.
Here we are. Let's go to work.
Okay, let's do it.
All right, Don, it's your turn.
Yeah, I will let there be light. Let there be light. Ta-da! Zhao Zhijun told me that companies are also supporting vocational education. He introduced me to Wang Dajiang, an external mentor from ABB China Ltd.
Mr. Wang, this is the Xiaobai.
Yeah. 潘完沙冲小白.
Pleasure meet you.
Pleasure. I had no idea that corporate engineers were actually involved in the development of vocational education curricula.
Yes, for the industry education cooperation is very common in China.
Okay.
For ABB, they have a responsibility to provide this all the materials to the classes.
That's nice. It's very hands-on, which is a very good thing. Okay. Okay, so this morning's visit was already very informative, but I want to dig just that little bit deeper to gain a better understanding of vocational education. So we have arranged for an interview with Principal Xia. 夏长您好。
你好，小白。上午参观的怎么样？
特别的棒啊！那个小赵给我展示了他的技术，我觉得太有意思了，太赞了。
谢谢。
哦，谢谢，谢谢。
这是我们护理学院的实训教学课堂。
这个专业的学生，他们毕业后会找到什么样的工作呢？
他的毕业就业去向不光有服务我们盐城地方服务产业的养老、育婴、康养的服务机构，同时也会面向于我们上海等一线城市的高端需求服务人群，比如说私人管家、定制管家，他们的工作去向还是比较多元的，工作并不愁，这种人才的需求越来越旺盛。刚刚带您看了硬核的、温馨的专业，现在再带您看一下科技感比较强的。这是我们无人机的教学现场。
这个都是跟低空经济有关系啊，我觉得太酷了，太厉害了。
中国这个低空经济，它将来是一个万亿级的这个产业。
不好意思，打扰一下，我可以问你一个问题吗？
好的。
你毕业以后想当什么工作呢？
我毕业以后想当就是无人机植保工作的飞行人员，它对农业工作非常的有帮助。
哎，你以后想做什么样的工作呢？
我们用无人机进行一个摄影，然后来探索这个世界的美景。因为我的爱好，所以才去研究这个东西。
兴趣决定你的未来的高度，很好，小伙子。
A major like this one in drone application and technology is one that really suits students' interests and passions, but it also suits the interests of the country at large as it is trying to lift its economy to a next high quality level.
再带你参观一下我们面向地面的交通专业的，也就是我们汽车学院。我们汽车学院目前深度合作的企业是我们盐城的悦达起亚，它的新产品上市，它首先会赠送给我们作为教学设备，这个在现场教学，这边是学习，这边是工作，叫工学一体进行教学。
The power of vocational education is deeply embedded in the fabric of society because these skilled talents not only support the operation of society's gears, if you will, but also power the process of industrial upgrading and transformation. And on that note, I am now off to Yueda Kia Motors, Kia being that South Korean manufacturing giant that actually employs many of this school's graduates. I will see you in a bit. 到了吗？ OK， 走啦。So here we are at Yancheng's biggest car manufacturer, and we're gonna go explore. Chen Kang，
哎，
你好。
你好。接下来我就带你到我们车间去转一转，好不好？
好，走。
行。
技师在 Kia 有什么作用呢？
那作用可大了。根据自己的经验，不断的进行创新，然后把自己的经验再进行一种分享，带动所有的人进行一起的改善。
你觉得社会对技术工人和职业教育现在的态度有什么变化呢？
过去嘛，人们普遍的认为上大学、高学历才是一个出路。但是现在呢，由于社会对职业教育的一种认可，培养出的人才也更适合市场的需求。
So after extensive research, I have found the answer to our original question. When vocational education bridges that final mile from laboratory to production line, when skilled workers transform from hands into real talents, and when everybody has equal access to education and thus the opportunity to realize their life's value, I think it's fair to say that this is a true embodiment of a high-quality education system and modern development. Next time you flip that smart home appliance switch or even just, drive a car, please remember, it's the pulse of vocational education that powers them.